Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to use if-elif-else statement in Python. See, you have already seen this program, right? In the previous video. So if there is multiple conditions, then we'll use elif statement. Elif stands for else if. Okay. So how we write? After if statements, we'll write elif statement, ELIF in small cases, and within the brackets condition, and then end with a colon, and then give some indent and write a statement. Again, give some indent and write the next statement. So not just one, you can have multiple elif statements here, right? There can be one if statement in the beginning, one else statement in the end, and in the middle you can have one or more elif statements. Okay, so how it works is, now assume x is 0. In that case, hello will be executed. If x was 1, then this condition would be false, right? In that case, it would come here and check if x is equal to 1. Then it would print this. Okay, if none of these conditions were true, that is x was neither 0 nor 1, in that case else statement will be executed. Again, in this case, either if or elif or else will be executed, never two or more statements. Okay, so only one block will be executed, either if or elif or else. And if there are multiple elif, any one elif may get executed. Okay, so we look at the program now. So in the program, you can see we have two variables, x and y. X is 0 and y is 1. Now the first condition is if x is equal to 0, print hello, right? So we'll run and see. Okay, it has typed hello here because x is equal to 0 is true. Suppose that I'll make x as 1. Okay, in this case, this condition will be false, right? So it will go and check the next condition. So let me run and show you. So it has written welcome here, which is in elif block. Okay, so this was false, so it came to elif and it executed. Now I want to show you one more thing. Suppose x was 0. So now you can see x is equal to 0, the condition is true. And then elif y is equal to 1, here also the condition is true. But the execution will always be in the sequential order from top to down, right? So if this condition matches the first if condition, then it will execute the statement and it will directly come out of this if else block. Okay, so none of the statements written here will get executed. It will execute only those statements in where the first condition was matched. Okay, so then also I said that we can include multiple elif statements, right? So let me show you. So we'll see one more variable called z is equal to 2, right? Then I'll add elif. So then the condition elif z is equals to 2, then print okay. I'll give EEAT. That's my channel name, right? You know it. See, now you can see all these conditions are true, 0, 1, and 2. That is 2 wise, but it will execute in sequential order, right? So only hello should get printed. Let me run and see. Okay, it's syntax error. Z is, see, it is double is equal to, right? For comparison. Okay, I have missed a colon. See, I have done very basic mistakes. So if z is equal to 2, this is for comparison, and then write a colon. Okay. Okay, now hello got executed here. And then see, let me make this condition false here. So x is equal to 1, x is 0, this is false. So y is equal to 1, this statement should get executed, right? So welcome is executed. Now let me make this condition also false. So x is equal to 1 is false, y is equal to 0 is false, and z is equal to 2 is true, right? So you can see EEAT is printed. Now let me make all three conditions false. So z is equal to 2, but I have written z is equal to 0 here. for comparison, right? So in that case, else should get executed, right? So, okay, bye. Okay. So I hope you are very clear now how to use if, elif, and else statements in Python. So if you like my videos, then give a thumbs up to my video and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.